Hi, this is Heather Kate with Honeybee Buzz Modern Marketing. How's it buzzing? This is a wonderful time to be working on your business, but it's also an interesting time. A lot of people are on vacation, so if you're pitching things or trying to get stuff done, it may be having sort of a different pace and a different flow than you find at other times of the year. Also, Facebook is doing fun things with itself, so there are updates. They're rolling out that, which means that some people in one area get them, and then some people in another area get them. So not everybody gets it all at once, which could break the system. There's definitely some flaws going on, but I just wanted to check in and see how you're doing. If you have things that are going on that you have some questions about, I'd be happy to try and answer them for you. If I don't have the answer right away, I'll definitely get back to you. So send me a little message down below and let me know if you're watching. Hey Robin, how cool! I haven't seen you in a while. Thank you. And if you're watching later, please do hi. If you're watching later, please do a little hashtag replay. And again, feel free to drop some questions. So one thing that I tried recently is a fairly new Facebook feature where you can do a live with a guest. And at some point, depending on your phone, depending on your service, and depending on when Facebook finishes rolling them out, you might be able to do multiple guests. Now, there are also a couple of other apps that will let you do this. One is called Be Live. Zoom has a webinar function where you can now do a multi-person live through Facebook and also into YouTube. So if you're a fan of Zoom, which is it's a great product, that's an option. Robin, I have a question for you. I don't know. It is cool. It's amazing. The new technology is technology is awesome. Robin, what have you tried? What do you like best so far for your lives? Robin does great business coaching lives every week. She's very consistent about it, and she's a sweetheart, but she's also a tech guru, and it's a very nice combination. Let's see, what else is sort of going on in the world of Honeybee Buzz Modern Marketing. We've had a couple of new clients. I've really enjoyed working on a doctor's website, and it was great. Robin, you're very sweet. It was great working with this doctor. She had a very functional website, but she needed some pizzazz. She needed some really classy visual coherency and something that would pull people in, and so that they could easily see what she does and what she's about, and how to work with her. That's not always the easiest thing to do when it's your own stuff. Ooh, so Robin's saying she has not yet gone live with a guest. Oh, well, you'll have to have me on, because it's worth experimenting. It is, the instructions are not easy, and it does apparently, according to the research I've done, because, you know, the way my lives have gone, my first one was a mess with trying to do well, both first ever live and also this one with a guest. It was an absolute mess. One key tip is do not allow your guest to be hosting a watch party and try to tap in. They won't show up at all on your live. So they have to be just an individual. Okay. And apparently I have to work out more because that arm's getting tired. All right, so what else? What's another great tip? Robin had a wonderful tip the other day about using your selfie stick. You can go find her live videos. And what was the woe part about not letting somebody be hosting a watch party? It gets very confusing, honestly, because you could host a watch party and then have all these multiple times that you would be in the loop. So I think Facebook's probably still in the process of figuring out how to let people be guests or not be guests. But it's such a wonderful tool. In fact, hey, you want to try it right now, Robin? I'm gonna I'm gonna see if I can add you. Do you want me to add you, Robin? I'll do it right now. I'll invite you, and then you can decline if you want. All right. So Facebook was, I just invited Robin. We'll see if it's, this is totally impromptu, everybody. So I'm not sure if she'll be available right now or not. But Facebook was saying that, cool. Wow. I just invited Robin. We'll see. This is totally impromptu, everybody. So I'm not sure. I'm like the lead over it. I think you're but Facebook was saying that. Yeah, because. I just feel like Edison there. We'll see. This is totally impromptu, everybody. So I'm not sure. I'm like the lead over it. I think you're what? Do you have another device on? Bye, Robin. Okay, so you can see it's a technology in progress, but it's a great way to. Your audience, your page members, your group members might be interested in that has something to add to your group. You might also want to do it like, you know, a conversation with people that are in your group, because groups are apparently the way Facebook is going. But it's just again, my suggestion is always, you know, use technology that's available to you. I hope I'm not covering up the microphone. Use technology that's available to you the best that you can, but make sure that you keep some copy or level of activity on your own property, in-house, on your own website, on your own territory, because Facebook or YouTube or whatever you're using can wipe it out in a heartbeat with no discussion with you. So you want to have your own stuff going on there, and it actually bolsters your search engine standings. You know, it's one of these things, like there are many pieces to the puzzle, many cogs to the machine, and you've got to have all of them working together. You can let one sort of like sit and spin on its own for a little while, but then you want to go back and touch it again, spin it again, add a little more to it. So add a little to Facebook, add a little to Instagram, add a little to Twitter. The more these spots that you take up on a search engine like Google, which is really the only one that actually matters, then the better you're going to do overall. But you got to keep all of these things going, and lives are one of the best ways to do it because they get higher ranking. So anyway, thank you, Robin. I appreciate your being here, and thank you, everybody. Look forward to hearing how you're using some of the new technology that's out there, including maybe lives. And have a great day. Happy buzzing. And this could be a perpetual live, because I can't. Oh, there we go. It's hiding. Bye.